Right around this piece, it's gonna have 2 holes in it and 3 notches. You're gonna have a notch on each short edge, kind of like the rectangle shower door, and then we do a Mickey Mouse notch in the center on the long edge. Just kind of give you an idea of the different things. It's actually running the trap tool through to clean up the milling and that notch. And now it's about to move to drill it, to either drill probably drill the first hole. The glass goes up, touches the white finger, and then that moves out of the way. So then it will start drilling. Half in the front, half in the back. Now it's moving so I can drill the second hole. Touches the finger, moves. First notch, get in the corner. It's going to do another notch like that on the other end, and then right around the center of the glass, it's going to cut out a Mickey Mouse notch on this top long edge. So just move, touch the finger and your nose. Now it's cutting Mickey Mouse. It's going to run the finishing tool through. Now it's moving to do the last notch just like this on the other short edge. Let's see. Mickey Mouse notch that it did. And you can, in the program, when you actually go to program it, you can modify a Mickey Mouse notch to reflect, different depths, different widths, bigger ears. It's pretty simple. Inches and 3 inches off the edge, 8 inches in between. So just finish the routing. Now it's going to run the trapezoidal finishing tool through it, and then it will be finished. And it's done. So now, yeah, traditionally you either have like one notch on the top and bottom for your shower doors and then your two handles, but I figure throw a Mickey Mouse in there so you can see what it looked like. So this is 3/8 low iron glass that we did.